Hi, everyone. My name is Ashton Bandy, and I am a second-year PhD student researcher at UCI. The oceans are under a lot of stress, especially from things like overfishing, pollution, and climate change. The ocean can bounce back, though, with a little help from us. Parts of the ocean can be protected and allowed to recover. Why should we protect our oceans? Well, it makes a lot of sense economically. We gain much from having clean, bountiful oceans. Fishing is a huge industry that provides food and livelihoods for many coastal communities. Recreation and tourism to beach communities helps keep people happy and boosts local economies. Luckily, a lot of California's coastline is already protected. The California Department of Fish and Wildlife has protected roughly 16% of California's coastal ocean. However, scientists have concluded that we need to protect up to 30% in order to keep benefiting from what the ocean provides, especially with the impending threat of climate change. My research will focus on the Crystal Cove protected area as a case study for answering my three main questions. First, what is the effectiveness of the protected areas in California? Meaning, are the resources and benefits being conserved? I will try to answer this question by running an analysis of all available data on these protected zones from the California Department of Fish and Wildlife. Secondly, using water quality analysis, I will try to determine what makes the water healthy and able to support larger life, like sport fish. Finally, I will try to show how protected areas will change in the future due to global warming. One thing I will be examining specifically is the ocean warming and how that might affect fishery production. The results of this study will provide us with a lot of important information. My conclusions will help policymakers decide what parts of California's ocean should be protected in order to get to the recommended 20 to 30%. We will also know more about how the benefits provided by the oceans change when they are protected. And most importantly, we will know more about how climate change will impact the ocean and in turn, us as a species. Thank you so much.